They look very ready.
Yes, they do. Estonia is a quite young nation in this.
Very soft.
Very nice to watch. It's a really cool remix of this song.
Yeah.
They're using the music beautifully.
Nice elements. Attitude for the like pirouettes that we haven't seen that much.
Strong party work.
This song demands a lot of energy.
I think they're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Switching the spots. This is a
Very
quite
difficult
turn.
Yeah.
They're doing a good job, despite their young age.
A lot of things happening, so that's a nice element for the judges. We're supposed to have a ending there, but
yeah.
it was a very nice routine. Well done.